Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a signed-in Google account with a valid payment method. Once that's ready, open the YouTube app. Tap your profile icon, then choose Purchases and Memberships to begin. Select YouTube Premium and review price, trial length, and payment source. Make sure your Google Play billing matches the card or balance you want to use. Confirm region and family plan options before tapping Subscribe. Doing these checks prevents billing mismatches and immediate trial cancellation. Once subscribed, enable key features: background play for multitasking, downloads for offline viewing, and ad-free playback. Go into Settings, Background, and Downloads to set download quality and choose storage location. Higher resolution uses more space and data. If you have a family plan, add household members from membership settings and send invites. Make sure they accept from their signed-in accounts. These steps optimize experience and prevent unexpected storage or data use. Start using Premium by tapping Download on videos and playlists. Play videos with screen off if background play is active. If features don't work, force stop the app, clear cache, and sign out, then back in. Reinstall if needed. Also verify your subscription status in Google Play purchases and that your account region allows Premium. If family sharing fails, recheck household settings. These troubleshooting steps resolve most problems quickly, so you can keep watching without interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.